Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on the notifications quality filter on X, formerly known as Twitter, right from your computer. If your notifications often feel cluttered or full of irrelevant content, this feature is designed to help you clean things up and see what truly matters. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so the settings apply correctly. Once you're inside, head over to your notifications timeline. You can find it easily on the left-hand side panel. It's the bell icon that keeps you updated on mentions, likes, and other activity. Now that you're on the notifications page, take a look at the top of the screen for the settings option. Click on it. This will open up a few handy features that let you control how your notifications appear and what kind of content you want to see. Next, find the section labeled Filters. This is where X lets you limit or refine the type of activity that reaches your timeline. Click on Filters to open the available options. Once you're there, look for the toggle labeled Quality Filter. This feature automatically removes lower quality content, such as duplicate tweets or spam-like notifications, so your updates feel more genuine and less overwhelming. To enable it, simply click the toggle switch. Once you do, it'll turn on instantly, no need to save or confirm. From that point forward, the platform starts filtering your notifications for better control and clarity. And that's it! You've successfully turned on the quality filter for notifications on X. It's a small but powerful feature that helps make your browsing experience smoother and more enjoyable. Take a moment to explore other filters while you're in there if you'd like even more customization. You can adjust what shows up based on relevance, user type, or activity level. Thanks for watching.